In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, to remove one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!